Hello, beautiful people. Want to know how to make your own branded envelopes for your packaging? Well, come with me as I show you. I purchased these translucent vellum sheets from Amazon. The link will be in the description, and I'm printing it on my Epson 8500. In order to make the envelope, I'm going to use my We Are Memory Makers all-in-one tool that has an envelope option on there. We've got our bone paper creasing tool, and then we've got our envelope guide here. This tool will show you the envelope chart, which shows the card size or the envelope size that you want, the paper size that you need, and the alignment guide. For me, I'm wanting to do a 4x6 envelope, and the size of the paper needs to be 7 1/8 by 7 1/8. So I'm just going to cut it down to that size. I'm sorry, 7 7/8. So I'm going to cut it down to that size, and I'm just going to mark it down on the paper so I know exactly where I'm going to trim it down. So I've got it fully trimmed down to 7 7/8 by 7 7/8. Now, next we will line up the alignment, this tool with the alignment guide that it shows, the envelope guide that it shows here on the tool. And according to the tool, our paper on the left side needs to line up to 3 1/4. So I'm going to show you on the guide. If you can see it, I know it's kind of tiny. So for a 4x6 sheet of paper, it needs to be 3 1/4. So I'm going to line up my paper to the 3 1/4 mark right there. And now I'm going to score it at the 2-inch mark. And 2 inches standard. The instructions are actually on the back. So that line has to line up to that score guide where you see that little line at the top. And so I'm scoring right down on the 2-inch mark on all 4 sides. So I got that down. And on the side is the punch guide. Now the punch guide is going to punch all these little corners. You can probably see the little triangle there, but it shows you the alignment. So you're just going to fit those corners right into that slot, and you're going to just punch down right there. So I'm punching down all 4 sides, and now you have something that looks more or less like this. And I'm going to take my corner rounder and my glue roller and punch all 4 sides of that, fold it all down. You can use the bone tool if you really want those creases. And I'm going to put the tape down. So tape those 2 sides and press down on that envelope to make sure that it's nicely folded on all corners, and